All right, mates, I'm glad you're here. We've got some cracking good findings to share. So, grab yourself a bevy and let's go. In Japan, tipping in service establishments can be considered rude. Excellent service is expected and included in the price, so leaving extra money can be seen as an insult rather than a compliment. So, mind your manners, lovies. Germany is home to over 1,500 varieties of sausage. Known for its culinary diversity, Germany offers a vast array of sausages, or Wurst, each with unique flavours and regional specialties such as Bratwurst, Weisswurst, and Currywurst. Psychological studies show that our perception of time can change with age. Younger people often feel time passes more slowly, while older individuals may feel it accelerates. They say this could be due to changes in neural processing and life experiences. In Turkey, coffee is an integral part of the culture, and it's often used in fortune-telling. The leftover grounds in a coffee cup are read to predict the future, a practice known as tasseography. The real reason apples float in water is due to their composition. Approximately a quarter of an apple's volume is air, which makes them buoyant. Did you know this one? October 25th is celebrated as World Pasta Day. This day is dedicated to celebrating pasta's cultural and culinary significance around the globe. While pasta is often associated with Italy, its origins can be traced back to ancient China.
The most expensive musical instrument sold for $15.9 million. In 2011, the Lady Blunt Stradivarius violin sold for a world record $15.9 million, which was 4 times the previous auction record for a Stradivarius. The world's first portable cell phone, the Motorola Dynatac 8000X, had a whopping price tag of $3,999 in 1983. And we complain of cell phone prices today. Believe it or not, polar bears have black skin, which helps them absorb the sun's heat to stay warm in an Arctic climate. It also helps protect the bears from harmful UV rays. Baritone Leonard Warren died on stage at the Met in 1960, just as he had finished singing Verdi's Morir tremenda così, or in English, To Die, a momentous thing. Isn't that ironic? The world's first video game console, the Magnavox Odyssey, was released in 1972 and could only play simple tennis games. Butterflies have taste receptors on their feet that help them determine if a leaf is suitable for laying eggs or if a flower contains nectar.
The Mayan civilization is the oldest civilization known, dating back to 2600 BC. They lived in the Yucatan, which is now known as southern Mexico, Guatemala, northern Belize, and western Honduras. In ancient Rome, one of the most common cooking ingredients was a wild fennel extract called Lasapitium, or laser. It's been said that it was so popular and so delicious that the plant from which it came was harvested to extinction. In medieval times, men, typically elderly men who carried the king's hunting birds, carried them on a wooden frame called a codge. The men were often loyal, trustworthy servants, and is where we get the term old codger from. The Mariana Trench, the deepest part of our ocean, is so deep that you could place Mount Everest, the world's tallest mountain, in it, and it would still be covered by water. Pretty extraordinary, if you ask me. Currently, Los Angeles and San Francisco in California are 1,700 miles or approximately 2,700 kilometers apart. However, since the San Andreas Fault is consuming 2 inches of land each year, the two cities will be neighbors in 15 million years. If we're still around, that is. The Amazon rainforest has 2.5 million different species of insects. So if you have an aversion to bugs like I do, you might want to rethink your visit there. Those were brilliant. Don't you agree? We love the work it takes to get these sorted for you. Do us a favor and like this video and share it with a friend. Cheers.